Okay, so welcome back. Let's do short video how to set up ShitBot. In the last few weeks, couple of months time when I'm doing this video, ShitBot has been performing an absolutely amazing of daily percentage APR of 0.47, 0.46% every single day for over 104 days of copy trading. This is going to take 10-15 minutes of your time to set up. However, the video will be only around 3 minutes time. Now, before we go anywhere, please understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything. ShitBot is been on fire lately and I hope to stay this way for the next time and next year and the year after. Okay, let's go and set up. So first what you need to do is you need to join their Telegram group. Once you join your Telegram group, when you see you have 3 different sections. General, where is the general chat. You're going to have how to set up and also results updates. You go to how to set up and just follow the rules step by step. It's going to take 3 minutes. First, you need to go to this website, finandy.com. So this is just a trading website where you can copy trade the bot. So this is how it's look. What you need to do is you need to go register. Once you register, it's going to take like a couple of minutes. Make sure you do 2FA inside, okay? That's very important. You do not need to KYC. That's the good stuff. Okay, so once you set up, when you press this one right here, all right, you will come right here. Make sure you set up 2FA again. Also, you can connect your Telegram right there where you can get all the signals for buys and sells to your Telegram. I'm not doing that because it will be too much interruption in my life, because we'll be like beeping every few minutes. Okay, you have a secret word and so on and so on. First thing what you need to do, you need to put some money. And that's about it. Once you connect it, okay, that's about it. Then what you can do, you go back to the store, find the ShitBot, click there, okay. Once you click there, you can see here information, strategies, graph, how it's performing for the last 90 days, performing well, and positions, what position it's in the moment. Or go here to trading, to the first one, and you will see open position right now, and everything is green. I have 1,662 pages. Okay, very important stuff. How to add more capital. Make deposit, transfer it from spot to futures account. You can do this step anytime at any amount where is no open position. Make sure you understand, you do not put more than 5,000 inside. That is very important. Okay, if there is open position, please add no more than 10% of your current balance if the open position are being negative floating. You can add bigger amount if the open position is at low volume or at initial order. Very important. Now, withdraw. You can withdraw profits anytime, any amounts you want, if there is no open position. Transfer the amount from futures into spot. Okay, then withdraw to your MetaMask, your personal wallet. No KYC. If there is open position, you can withdraw 10% of your balance or just close position and just withdraw wherever you need. If you want to withdraw bigger amount, you need to wait for the position to be closed, or you can close the position manually, disconnect from the bot and withdraw all your money. Done. Best way is to go to their Telegram group and ask all the question you have. Make sure you understand, do not put more than 5,000. If you want to put more than 5,000, what Ted is recommending is opening a couple of different accounts. You can open unlimited accounts on Finlandly. I believe you just need new email. All right, thank you so much. Let's hope this bot is going to work for a long time. Love you all. Goodbye.